Today, I filmed the diesel articulated boom lifts again. I hope you will like it. In the fields of industrial construction, building maintenance, warehouse logistics, etc., diesel articulated boom lifts have become reliable partners in professional sectors with their unique mechanical design and performance advantages. Its turbocharged diesel engine has three core advantages: high torque output, long endurance capacity, and optimized power distribution. It can drive the equipment to travel smoothly on slopes of 15 degrees to 30 degrees and adapt to unpaved roads such as muddy and gradient surfaces. With a full tank of fuel, it can support 8 to 10 hours of continuous operation. The rated load capacity of the platform is usually 230 to 450 kilograms. It is equipped with an intelligent load sensor that automatically restricts movements and triggers an alarm when overloaded, striking a balance between the working range and safety. The boom is made of high-strength steel. Yield strength is greater than or equal to 345 megapascals, and self-lubricating bearings are used at key hinge points. It has undergone 100,000 fatigue tests without deformation. The height of the platform guardrail is 1.1 meters, and it is equipped with an anti-slip floor and an emergency stop button. It is standardly equipped with a manual pump emergency lowering device, ensuring safe landings even in case of a power system failure. Additionally, a warning light powered by an independent battery supply guarantees visibility during nighttime operations. Whether it is for the construction of building exteriors, the welding of bridge steel structures, the maintenance of large-scale equipment, or the installation of warehouse shelves, this equipment can play a valuable role. If you would like to know more about other aspects, feel free to leave a message in the comments section.